Hey, Matt here. Welcome to MOBStreet. Today, Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. Got the whole family out, and we are gonna go in, check it out, see what's here, and just have a good time. Careful, careful. Oh, yeah? The tusk rack would work really well for this. Right there. Kind of cool. Okay, you guys check this out. We are at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo, and this is the MyMedic, what are they called? Booth. There we go. This is the MyMedic booth, and we have the MyFact Pro, which is this one right here. And you guys, all the stuff inside of these is seriously hands down the best. So at T-Dub Fest a few years ago, we had a stumble down the mountainside, and one of the guys there had a first aid kit, and after that I went looking, and this is absolutely the best one that I've found. So we came, stopped to talk to him again. They're super skins. These are band-aids that are like superior to every other one out there, and if you run out, you just use that little scan code on the back. All their stuff has got it. So this one is their survival guide. Like when you buy the stuff, it comes with that, so you can read up on it, you can watch the videos. It shows you how to use pretty much everything that's in your pack, so that you're not just like some rookie out there, you know what's going on. So if you are in the area, stop by, and if not, go visit MyMedic. Here, scan that right there. There you go. You can scan it, get the information, and get the kit. So that one we use with a family of 7. It's been awesome. But they go, I mean, they've got way bigger ones that are like full EMT kits, right? Yeah. So I'm going to put you on the spot. What else? I mean, outside of the MyFact, what's the biggest one you guys have? Because I know it's like the Medic.
Stands 3 feet tall, weighs 27 pounds, and it's like mass casualty. You can cover up to like 20 different people with similar injuries at the same time. Right.
So that's the one that, like, way too advanced for me because I don't understand how to use all the stuff in it. But if you are a medic, this is definitely one of the kits to get because it is by far superior to all the other kits out there. So just want to let you know. Thank you.
Thanks for the shout out.
Appreciate it. You guys, get you some super skins, get you the MyFact Pro, or just go check out MyMedic and pick some up because they are definitely worth it. That thing is massive. You both got the same one?
No, hers is a 4-wheeler, mine's a Jeep.
That's cool.
Notice that one of those 007 decks has some elastics around it. Have you ever heard X marks the spot? Yeah. X marks the deck. Take that deck, put it in one of your pockets, you decide. I won't touch it again. Now, did you guys know that a deck of cards represents a calendar system? Did you know that? There's 52 cards in a deck. There's 52 weeks in a year. There's 4 suits. There's 4 seasons. There's 13 cards in every suit. There's 13 lunar cycles every year. If you add all the cards together, they total 365. That's a true story. So we used to use this as a calendar system. Now, if you take a deck of cards and you shuffle it one time, in Magic, that's called a faro shuffle. See how it farrowed out? If you do a little bridge, what would the likelihood ever to be again to get that exact same order? Take 67 and put 49 zeros after it. That's how unlikely it would be. So we shuffled it, take those cards. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start putting cards down onto the table, one on top of the other, just like that. Now you can deal from anywhere in the deck you want. You could deal from the bottom, from the middle, and you're gonna stop when you wanna stop, not when I tell you. That's pretty fair, right?
Right.
Stop whenever you want. You good?
Yeah.
Those cards are now out of play. All right, now take those cards. Now you're gonna do 2 piles. Just like that, exactly. Yep, good. Now it's pretty fair. He's been in control of the deck. He's put down as many cards as he wants, and we're gonna stop right there. Dude, take those 2 cards, flip them over, see what we got. We have a Queen of Diamonds and a 4 of Spades. These cards are now out of play. Now, here's what I want you to do. Put your finger right there in the middle. When I say go, your finger goes to the card we're gonna use. Go. I didn't tell him to pick the Queen of Diamonds. He picked it himself. He could have picked the 4 of... Do you want to change your mind? Are you sure? Okay.
Queen of Diamonds is the one that you pulled too.
All right. Here's what I want you to do. There's a Queen of... Yeah, that's right. You're right. There's a deck of cards in your pocket. Now, I was standing back here. I had a premonition. Then I woke up and I felt better. But I did take out a Sharpie and I put an X on the face of one card in your deck. Pull out the cards, take the elastics off, bring the cards out, and face down, just start going through the cards until you find an X. Now, if it's the same card, that would be a pretty good trick, right? You're gonna be glad you have it on film. Nice. Oh, there's an X. Oh,
there it
dude,
is.
put it right there, face down.
Oh,
Hang on.
You didn't say face.
oh my bad.
It's okay. It's okay. Notice that it's the only card and it matches, and there are no other X's. Thank you very much.
That was
That
awesome.
was amazing.
Thank you. Now, if you guys ever want a really fun party, take my card.
Yeah.
I do a lot of family
You
parties.
guys out here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo, out here with the family. One of the reasons that we come to the show is because this one is much more family centered than a lot of the other shows out there.
Nice.
We just had Mr. Lance Nielson do a magic show for us, and he does parties, get like all sorts of different events, right?
Everything. Well,
So-
I've done it all.
We literally just watched him do an awesome trick for the
And
kids.
freaked him out a little bit.
So if you are interested in having him show up for your event, I'm gonna put this right here.
Nice. Thank you.
You guys check it out. And he's got all sorts of different things that he
Do
does.
balloons,
Magic tricks,
magic. For 50 years I've been doing magic.
50 years.
50 freaking years. Unbelievable.
Check it out.
I've shown you.
Okay, who is this?
Farm Fresh Fabrication.
Oh, this is the dude that's got the,
Bel Air, the
no, it's the Cadillac, isn't it?
probably.
Yeah, we seen him at the that thing show. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah, it's a hearse. It's an old Cadillac hearse.
5 or so.
Yeah, going to 75.
That's the kind I've been looking for you. No.